Hi, I'm Eric Linask. We're here at ITEXPO in Anaheim, California. Eric Levitt from First Point Communications. Great to have you on the program again. Thanks for being here.
Great to be back.
So, last time you and I chatted, we were talking about what you've got going on with your SMS network, some of the things that you had planned and were launching. Give me an update. How's that going?
Well, we did complete the rollout of our SMSE as planned. We've terminated several million messages, and I'm a little bit lax in my actual numbers, but it's a fair number. And our ability to direct route messages and least cost route messages has definitely improved our customers' ability to complete an SMS and ultimately terminate to their end users that they'd like to get their messages to. We also enhanced the capabilities of our hosted SMS platform. In the future, we'll be adding MMS. That's probably the next large step. We've integrated with most or many of the large providers of SMS services. So that becomes a value add to anyone that's hosted on our platform because we've completed the interoperability with so many of those carriers.
I would imagine that your ability, and as you noted, your future ability to add MMS capabilities is really going to be huge for the customers, given the kind of world that we're living in today. With you're not just texting, but everybody's sending pictures back and forth, letting you know where you are, what's going on, looking at the great coconut up in the tree that I just saw, what have you.
Even though sometimes we wish they wouldn't.
Agreed. Sometimes we do wish they wouldn't, but we live in a Twitterverse, and everybody's posting pictures, so that the ability to send multimedia messaging is really going to be huge for you.
Multimedia is always quite a bit more challenging than simple texting. However, it's definitely our next step, and with the continuing growth of content and the quality of the content developed by mobile devices, it's definitely growing in both capability and in size. So you have a great increase in scope and a great increase in scale simultaneously. I think that's going to start to tax some of the traditional systems, and that will definitely be a benefit of our platform as we continue to roll that out. We're also working quite a bit on the application side and being able to integrate with a lot of our customers' apps. And we've been very successful in that. We've added dozens of providers that are using our hosted SMS platform to integrate into their application. And some of the applications are pretty nifty, from the development of applications for the disabled to more traditional applications.
So what it really means for them is they don't have to worry about not only creating the platform but hosting those applications on their own. But how does that impact their ability to generate revenue? Where's the opportunity for them?
Well, they can certainly generate revenue more quickly because the more services that we're providing to them as part of the platform, there's less that they need to do themselves. So if they're leveraging our ability to present to multiple parties simultaneously, or our ability to deliver the SMS, to deliver an MMS, that's one less thing that they need to worry about because it's part of our API. So naturally, there's a quicker return on investment for the developer of the application.
And what kind of return are you seeing, especially on the hosted platform?
Returns are very high at this point on the SMS platform. As with anything in telecom, they tend to vary, but we're very comfortable with what with what we're seeing so far on both the SMS platform and it continues as it continues on the voice platform as well. I think it's important to note that the two platforms are integrated. So for those that are hosting SMS, they're also simultaneously getting the benefit of the voice routing features and capabilities that we've been developing over the past 8 years. And with that integration, it actually makes it simplistic for the end users, because for those of us that are coming out of the voice world, The SMS world has been historically more focused on the IT space, and we've been integrating a lot of the features that the voice providers would like to see as they develop their SMS capabilities. And as we integrate it into that platform, that level of integration is quite critical to the developers of the applications themselves.
There's so many, there's a whole host of OTT applications that people are using to, whether it's send IMs or even images and video clips. What does that mean for your model?
To us, applications and service provider messaging systems are merely just other endpoints. Mm-hmm. So it's an API to integrate with, whether it's Facebook or Skype or any of the other mass messaging platforms. It's merely another endpoint to us, and that's really one of the benefits of our platform.
Interesting. So other than working on the MMS capability, what else do you have in the works?
We're always continuing to increase the voice platform. We've made some pretty significant routing enhancements over the past 6 months to a year, and we're going to continue to make those advancements. Of course, we host this out of our own facilities, and we've made a lot of progress on adding additional data center facilities into the platform, as well as building the underlying cores. We've added several the underlying core, so we've added several POPs to our MPLS network, and we continue to grow the fundamental our fundamental platform in being a direct service provider. And we feel that has a tremendous value to our customers because we're in control of everything from the dark fiber all the way up to the SMPP or SIP interconnection point. And that gives us an advantage in both price and time to market, which we pass on to the clients.
Excellent. Well, Eric, as always, great having you here on the program. Look forward to catching up and hearing the absolute latest in Fort Lauderdale in January.
Looking forward to seeing you in the warm weather.
In Anaheim, California, I'm Eric Lanask. Thanks for watching.